Today we are going to learn about 9th standard set language exercise 1.6 first sum in that Roman letter 1. If n of a value is 25 and n of b value is 40, n of a union b equal to 50 and n of b dash equal to 29, find n of a intersection b and n of u. Now, to find n of A intersection B, we know that n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B formula. Now let us write n of A union B value is 50 equal to n of A value is 25 plus n of B value is 40 minus, we doesn't know the value of n of A intersection B. 50 equal to 25 plus 40, 65 minus n of A intersection B. Now n of A intersection B is negative. So I'm going to take this to another side. It becomes positive. So n of A intersection B equal to 65, let it be here itself, plus 50 when taken to other side becomes minus 50. I've taken n of A intersection B to other side and plus 50 to other side. Therefore, n of A intersection B equal to 65 minus 50, 15. Next question. Now we need to find n of u. Since n of b dash is given, we can write the formula n of b dash equal to n of u minus n of b. So n of b dash value is given 25. So 25 equal to n of u, we doesn't know the value, minus n of b value. N of b value is 40. It is given in the question 40. Now our aim is to find the value of n of u. Let n of u be there itself. Let it be here itself. 25 be here itself. Minus 40 when taken to other side becomes plus 40. So take all the constant to one side. 40 plus 25 is 65, which is equal to n of u. Therefore, n of universal value is 65. So this is about Roman letter 1. Now let us solve Roman letter 2. If n of A equal to 300, n of A union B equal to 500 and n of A intersection B is 50 and n of B dash equal to 350, find n of B, n of U. Now we know that n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now let us write A union B value is 500 equal to n of A value is 300 plus n of B, we doesn't know the value, minus A intersection B value is 50. We'll take all the numbers to one side. 500 plus 300 when taken to other side becomes minus 300. Minus 50 when taken to other side becomes plus 50 equal to n of B, let it be here itself. 500 minus 300, 200. 200 plus 50, 300. 200 plus 50 equal to n of B. First we have solved these two. 200 plus 50 gives you 250 equal to n of B. Now let us find the next value, that is n of u. We have to find the value of n of u. Since we know the value of n of b dashed and just now we got the value of n of b, we can write this formula n of b dash equal to n of u minus n of b. N of b dashed value is given 350. N of b dash value is 350. equal to n of universal, we doesn't know the value, minus n of b. Just now we got the answer 250. So 350 minus 250 when taken to other side becomes plus 250 equals to n of u. 350 plus 250, 600 equal to n of u. Therefore, n of u value is 600. Thank you, children. Please comment your idea.